Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a clone of the famous Black Hornet micro surveillance helicopter used by the military. Just like the Black Hornet, this RC helicopter has a video camera at its nose for capturing live video footage. However, it has a bigger form factor as compared to the original. Here's a size comparison of it besides my smartphone. Now, besides having a wireless camera, the clone helicopter also has an optical flow sensor at the bottom for position lock. This means that it can hover autonomously over a fixed location. Now let's take a close look at the head mechanics. The heli has a fiberless head, which is good. Also, you could see there are two linkages leading to the swash plate, and the swash plate is driven by two cyclic servos inside, which controls the elevator and roll. To bring down the price of this clone heli, brush motors are used for both the main rotor and the tail rotor. Now here's the controller that controls the heli. It does look like a PlayStation game controller, but it has all the functions that you need, including the cyclic movement sticks, the altitude control sticks and rudder stick, as well as the quick buttons for landing and takeoff. The controller also comes with this mounting accessory for you to attach your smartphone so that you could view the live footage that's sent from the wireless camera. The helicopter is powered by this one cell LiPo pack. It has an on-off switch for powering on the heli and also an inbuilt micro USB for charging the battery. Alright, enough talking, let's spin up this bad boy. Oh, that comes down.